In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off profile status on PayPal. For privacy reasons or simply to manage your online visibility, you might want to adjust what others can see about your PayPal account. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to disable your profile status, giving you more control over your presence within the platform. Let's begin. First, ensure you're logged into your PayPal account and on your main summary page. Look for an icon with three small dots, typically found near your recent activity. It's usually positioned right beside the Send Again option, which is used for quick repeat payments. Clicking these three dots will open a menu with more choices. From the menu that appears, your next step is to click on Manage Contacts. This option will take you to a section where you can view and organize all the contacts associated with your PayPal account. It's a key step to access settings related to how your profile is presented to others. Once you're on the Manage Contacts page, you'll then need to locate and click on Manage Profile. This isn't your general PayPal account profile for personal details. Instead, this Manage Profile option specifically relates to your public profile, especially if you use features like PayPal Me. It's where you can fine-tune your public visibility. After entering the Manage Profile section, you'll see various settings for your public presence. What we're specifically looking for is the Profile Status option. Scan through the available settings, and you should find a dedicated section or toggle labeled Profile Status. This controls whether your profile is active and visible to others in contexts like searches or through your PayPal.me link. Finally, once you've found the Profile Status setting, your last action is to click on the Turn Off button or toggle. This will deactivate your profile status, making it invisible or inactive to others. PayPal might present a quick confirmation message. Simply verify your choice to complete the process. With this done, your profile status will no longer be active, providing that desired layer of privacy and control. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to turn off your profile status on PayPal. This straightforward process helps you manage your online presence and maintain your desired level of privacy. We hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thank you for watching.